If you want to speak English naturally and confidently in daily life, then this video is perfect for you. Today you will learn 10 useful English sentences. These are simple sentences for beginners, but also powerful enough to make advanced learners sound more fluent. Dear viewers, welcome back to part 4 of our 50 daily use English sentences series. Let's begin. I didn't catch that. We use this sentence when you don't hear or understand something properly. That's not a big deal. We use it when something is small or not very serious. I'm just kidding. This sentence is used after making a joke, so the other person knows you're joking. What's going on? This is used when you want to know what is happening around you. Great! Before moving the next sentence, try this mini quiz. Awesome! Now let's continue with the next useful sentence. That's exactly what I needed. Use this sentence when something is very useful or perfect for you. Don't take it personally. This sentence is used when someone feels hurt by a comment or situation. That's totally worth it. Use this sentence when something gives great value or result for the time, money, or effort spent. I am not used to it. Use this when something feels uncomfortable because you don't do it regularly. Stay till the end and test your English with a quick quiz. We are close to the end, so let's quickly learn these sentences. I'll figure it out. We use this sentence when you are confident that you will solve a problem yourself. And the final one, let's call it a day. This sentence is used when you want to stop working and rest for the day. Now it's time for the final mini quiz. Which sentence will you use when you want to stop working for today? Comment your answer below. So viewers, these were today's 10 daily use English sentences. Try using at least 2 sentences today in your conversation. The more you practice, the more confident your English will become. And yes, get ready for part 5.